how do we solve for the value of x in this challenge here? Yeah, I've solved this question back in the days, but here I want to bring a quicker method of solving this challenge. So the first tool we do here, we take our solution. But before we go into solving for today, if you are new here, this is Math Prowess. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, because here we roll out new videos every day for your learning. So the first tool we go to do here is to eliminate these variable which is up here, and also we think of eliminated this. In other words, we want to make all the terms that are having x to be on one side and the constant terms to be on another side. And for us to achieve that, we're going to raise both powers of these expressions to 1 all over 32x, because here we have x and here we have 32. And so rewriting this is going to give us our 2 to the power of x all raised to the power of our 1 all over 32x. This is equal to our x to the power of 32 all raised to the power of 1 all over 32x also. Then we apply a simple rule which says that your a to the power of your mn, this is equal to your a to the power of your m, the bracket your n, right? Okay, so with this, we can use this to multiply this. And if we do that, this x will go with this x, then this 32 will go with this 32. So we're going to end up having our 2 to the power of 1 all over 32, they're equal to our x to the power of our 1 all over x. Good. So we want this to come this side. So doing this is going to give us our x to the power of 1 all over x is equal to 2 to the power of 1 all over 32. So the problem is made easy, or rather easier. How? We are having x to the power of 1 all over x, which is itself. So we think of bringing a number that we can use to multiply the exponent here, then factorize it to give us that particular number raised to 1 all over itself. So if we decide to multiply this by 1, that will give us the same thing as 2 all over 2, and it's still the same thing as 3 all over 3, is still the same thing as 4 all over 4. And so we have to vary that until we get a number that we can multiply by the denominator, raise 2 to that same number to give us our answer to the multiplication from here. And that we discover is our 8 all over 8. Okay, so taking the right hand side of the equation, so we're going to have here 2 all over 1 all over 32 all raised to the power of our 8 all over 8. Mind you, 8 all over 8 is the same thing as 1, which will in turn give us this, right? Good. So we're going to apply this rule again. If we apply this rule, this is going to give us our 2. Okay, we want to shift this in, and this is going to give us 2 to the power of 8, then in bracket all raised to our 1 all over 32, the times are 8 here. Good. So if we simplify this, what is 2 to the power of 8? 2 to the power of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 8 places. And if we do that, this will give us 2, 5, 6. Then all raised to the power of the 32 times 8 will still give us 2, 5, 6. So we have 1 all over our 2, 5, 6. So we have our expression in turn will give us x to the power of 1 all over x. This is equal to 2, 5, 6 all raised to the power of 1 all over 2, 5, 6. So we've achieved our aim. And what is the aim? We are having x to the power of 1 all over itself, and we are having on this other side 2, 5, 6 to the power of 1 all over itself. Okay, so we can either say therefore that our x is equal to 2, 5, 6. And that is it. If you plug this into the original equation, you will discover that this value will satisfy this challenge here. Okay, so this brings us to the end. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. We will be there to reply to all your comments. If you've not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.